Another strategy that scholars use to divide in the fourth grade is called the area model. This model is slightly different from what we've done so far. The reason why is because we are depending on scholars' knowledge and success with the area and perimeter formulas in order to help us. However, if they don't have mastery in area and perimeter, it does not mean that they won't be successful using this strategy. I am going to use the same problem that I have for pictures and for abstract sharing to show the differences. 250 divided by 6. To start with the area model, scholars first draw out a large rectangle. This rectangle is going to be helpful when we share out numbers and we determine the lengths. The next step they do is determine their divisor. The divisor is 6. 6 is also going to be our side length here on our big rectangle. Now the first step that they take is to take the entire dividend or total and put it in a box. 250. I'm going to start by trying to find what I could multiply 6 by to get my area of 250, because we know that area is the same as multiplying the length times the width. Now I see that I have 200s. Well, I can't multiply anything by 6 to get to 200s, so I'm going to move on to 25 tens. Can I multiply something to get close to 25 tens without going over? Well, as a strong mathematician, I know my basic fact of 6 times 4 equals 24. That's going to help me. If I multiply 4 by 6, I will get to 24. If I multiply 4 tens by 6, I will get to 240, which can help me to determine more of the area. I'm going to put 240, and I'm going to put 40 at the top. This is the length and the width of this specific rectangle. The area is 240. I'm going to subtract the numbers now. I get 10 that I still need to share out or find a side length for. I'm going to move the 10 over to its own rectangle and see if we can find the side length. I'm going to ask myself, what can I multiply by 6 to get to an area that is 10 or close to 10 without going over? Well, if I multiply 6 by 1, I will get to 6. If I multiply 6 by 2, I will get to 12, and that will be more area than I have. I'm going to multiply by 1. 1 times 6 is 6. I'm going to subtract, and I get 4. Now I could move 4 over and try another rectangle with an area of 4. However, I know that I have 6 as a side length. Nothing multiplied by 6 is going to get me 4 in the 4th grade. That means that 4 is my remainder. To represent my remainder, I can put a box and put a 4. To find the quotient or the answer, I'm going to take the entire side length and I'm going to add them together. 40 plus 1 is 41, and my remainder is 4. 41 remainder 4.